this video I'll show you how to delete rows in Microsoft Excel, where you want to delete specific rows or a group of rows or even just one row. I will also show you how to delete columns. So before I showed you how to add them, but it's important to know how to delete them. And when you delete them, you have to make sure that if there are any formulas on the rows, the formulas are updated correctly. So let's check it. Okay, let's open up the Excel to show you quickly. So to delete the row, I can either keep the position where it is on the row, where it leave this with an empty space, or delete the row completely. First, if I want to leave the space here, I select the row and press delete on the keyboard, and as you see, the Excel cells are empty here. I press Ctrl Z to undo, and I will show you another way. You select the row, right click on the cell, and you choose clear contents. Clear contents does the same as the delete. Ctrl Z to undo again. Okay, if I want to delete this row completely, I select the row and right click somewhere on the row while it's selected and choose delete. And as you see, now I have task 2 and task 4. Task 3 is missing. Ctrl Z again to undo. And I could select multiple rows. I could select task 3 to 5. Right click delete, and now I have task 2 and 6. The same thing with the columns. You can select the column C, press delete on the keyboard, and it clears the contents. Undo, Ctrl Z. I can also select the column and choose clear contents, the same outcome. And now I can, for example, with the task, I can choose to delete. No, I'll do it here. I'll choose to delete the column completely. And now the next column moved became C. And there is a reference error because I had a formula here and the column is missing. The original column is missing. So this is how you delete a row. You can clear the contents from rows and columns when you want to. And if you want to clear all the contents, you click on this corner between A and 1, column A and row 1, click here, right click, clear contents, and the whole Excel is cleared. Or you can make a new Excel sheet, fresh one. The same outcome. That's it, really pretty easy. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you, and let me know in the comment section below, here below, if this helps you and what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Make a video request, I might do it just for you. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time. Hopefully. Yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one and more interesting ones in the future. In this video, I will show you how to delete rows in Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'll